Well, this is the problem that I have on my KitchenAide French door refrigerator. This is the model number, so you know exactly which type of refrigerator we are using. And what I find out was that they say that it was the back computer, which I already ordered it, and it will be arriving tomorrow. This is the part of the refrigerator, the back of my refrigerator, which I don't know if the one that is housing the back computer, but I'm going to find out once I open it up. If it is not, I'm just going to put it right back. And bingo! Yep, that's the one. You can look at it. I removed the cover of the back of the refrigerator, and yeah, definitely that's the unit that supposedly we need to replace, which is coming tomorrow. So we're definitely going to do that tomorrow as soon as it comes. Now the package has arrived today. I went ahead and I opened it up, making sure that we have it here. As you can see, you have to handle it with care because you got electric devices here, and you want to make sure that you can see it's the same design as the one that we are going to replace. So I'll keep you informed. This is the housing that we're supposed to. There is a screwdriver, goes right in here. You see? And you have to remove this part. And that's easily come off. Now, accordingly to the literature, we have to remove this, and this, and connect it with the other one. And this is the housing that is holding the plates. So we're going to have to open that up. I'll be back in a minute. When you're taking this out, you have to be very careful, because if you could look at it, you just grab the pliers. These things right here is the one that holds the board. So you could push it down and you will be able to slide it in. To take it out. So don't forget, you got one here, and you also have one up here. Okay, you got two. Now, this is the old board that I removed. This is the new board. This is the old one and the new one. The same position that you see it there, that's the same position that you have to slide it in. Okay, I'm going to show you when it's already in. Well, now everything is in place. Try not to touch the board dials in the inside. Just put it in like this. Now I'm going to go through there, and I'm going to tell my beautiful assistants to place connector, which is getting there, and let's see if our job worked. 1, 2, 3, and well, we could hear the machine working. This is working right here. So I need to find out if we need to program this or what. Eyes, H2O, PO. Okay, so now I have to go into the thing to see how to program this. That will be another video. Thank you. One thing that I forgot to tell you is that you need to wear gloves to protect the electrical board. It has some sensitive heat devices in there that will easily get damaged, so you need to wear gloves. Also, one thing that I wanted to show you guys is this thing that I went online and I tried to use to program. It's a little bit confusing If it says there programming mode, no, the program code is located on the serial plate of this unit after the word code. Well, this is the code that they are talking about. It's right here. My code is 1813. So don't go crazy looking into the board that you just purchased. Is right here. Okay. Now, this is what they're telling you, and I'm just gonna tell you, you just could read it yourself. Press and hold the water keypad, which you know is there. Press and hold LL keypad. When they're talking about LL, this is what they're talking about. Upper right, left, lower. Upper left, lower left. Upper right, lower right. And if you just keep following this, it will tell you exactly what you needed to do. And just please pause it as you go. Okay? Just pause it as you go. You could pause the video. Well, guys, after putting the metal plate that we initially removed from the back, I put everything back there. Okay, now I clean the floor back there, everything looks nice. And now you could see that we have all the settings working. We got the fresh food. We got everything there set up. Thank you. I hope this video will help you.